Hey everyone, I'm David. This is the Screencast-O-Matic 7 assignment. 7 screencast assignment. The assignment is to navigate to 5 online websites that are data-based. So my 5 are Fandango, Bricklink, Amazon, Brickset, and IMDb. So IMDb, it's a database website. It's about movies and actors, and as you can see. Amazon, database website. You have to bring up all the data. It's not just a static website. Brickset, also, it's a Lego website. It's not static. You bring up everything. It's database. Same with Bricklink. It's also Lego. And then Fandango, as mentioned earlier, as mentioned in the assignment, is also a database website. So database is important. Database, I didn't know what database was, so I looked it up, and so it's, from my understanding, it's a website that it's not just all the content is there, just sitting there. You have to pull it up. You can't just read it as soon as you open the website. You have to pull up the stuff you want. And then static is just, it's like those college websites where it's just a ton of information on one page and it goes down forever. And that's what static is. So database is important. It's a lot easier to organize, for one. You can put a lot more stuff. It's a lot easier to find stuff. When static, it's kind of hard to do it unless it's at the beginning or the very end. That's my Screencast-O-Matic 7 video. Thank you.